Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. It's me, Michelle, and today is a new vlog from London, a day in a life kind of video, probably a pack with me for Goa as I'm going to Goa soon. So here's a day in a life, and let's see what all I do and how much I tend to finish. So first up, let's get freshen up and do all the things we do in the mornings. So I'm just gonna like relax and have my good cup of morning tea. So with that, I will start doing all the chows what I had to like do. And first up, let's make the bed, because probably you'll see me not doing bed every day, but eventually I tend to do it, and that makes me really happy. So let's do the bed first, and then let's do everything that I like. It's so cold outside, I can't even tell you, it's really very cold. And also it's November, I mean, like, the time has flown by so soon. So here we are gonna add my lip balm from Laneige. This is the only one I have, probably I don't know where all the others went by. So let's do this and go down and also see my cat. Hello, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Michelle, and today is gonna be a day in my life video, back with me video, and just gonna film whatever possible things I can do, because I have a ton of things to be done before I head out. So let's go, let's do it. I seriously couldn't wake up around 6. I was supposed to wake up at 6, but I just couldn't. So we'll go and do everything, all the things that I have to do. So let's go. Firstly, let's have breakfast. Also, I haven't gone for a grocery shopping because I'm gonna leave soon for Goa. So this was the only thing I had, and I'm just gonna like finish off everything that I have in my cabinet, my fridge and everything. So for breakfast, I just have a simple toast with a cup of tea, and also the view from here is very beautiful, but you see I'm shivering. It's so cold outside, but anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this view. I mean, like, we don't sit out, but definitely gonna have a cup of tea in my cozy bed. So of course gonna do everything that I'm supposed to do today. Like, I have to like pack, go get some things. Guys, look at the disaster. I don't know what to do and how to pack, because I'm literally just confused. My bag is right here, and look at all these parcels. It's really annoying to have all of this stuff. So I pack it really quick. I don't know like where to start. I feel like I look hopeless. Hello, and I just got back home from doing all my work. So not all the work, but just one thing I had to like do. I'm so exhausted, I can't even tell you. Look at the mess I am. It's so cold outside, I can't even tell how cold it is. I mean, like, just look at the room. The room is like so messy, so I'm gonna like clean the room now. You see the room? It's really very messy. So I will clean the room, and I don't know what to eat for lunch. I have prawns, I have to like clean it, fry it and eat it, so it will take a lot of time. So I don't know what should we do, because I'm really confused. I also have to like go out at 2:30ish, and it's currently 1:30 right now, so I have to like leave in 1 hour. It's crazy. So how sweet that my owner made me some lunch. She made some pulao, veg and chapati. This was it. It was so yum. I can't even tell you how yum it is. I just tasted one bite. It's currently 4 degrees outside, and now it's 3 o'clock and almost 15 minutes for 3. So I just got the bus, and I'm going to go to Hounslow High Street to meet someone. So I'm just going to go there, and firstly let's go to have something. So we came into Madras Cafe, and just going to have all this. Good morning. It's the next day. I don't know how and what I vlogged the other day, I mean, the yesterday, but here I am the next morning just doing everything I love. So, here is it, just in the washroom, combing my hair. Look how cute it looks. I feel like it looks much better. Or also gonna use this face wash from Cetaphil. This is the only one I use. It's currently my favorite and I've been using for over than a year, and it's perfect for my skin because I haven't got any pimples or anything like that, but it makes your skin a bit oily, which is perfect. So just gonna get ready for the day. Of course, I have a lot of things to be done. I need to like pack and do a lot of things. Hello, good morning. So it's the next day, and I don't know what I vlogged yesterday because I just ended up vlogging anything, and I most probably just forget that I'm even filming. So, excuse for that. And it's the next day. I just woke up. I again have to do like a lot of things. I have to like pack my bag. So I don't know when I'm gonna like start. I was supposed to like wake up at 7:30, but I slept at 2 last night. I mean, I slept in the morning at 2, so I just couldn't wake up at 6. And even though I couldn't hear the alarm, so yes, we'll just start off with the day. And I just went to High Street and did what I had to, but nothing much. I eventually like forgot what to even get. So let's go, let's have tea first and start up with the day. The weather is okayish. I mean, like, it's quite dull and cold. So let's go down. Yeah. And our kitty cat is here. She also woke up just like me at around 7:30. She just sat here so she knows that if I open the door she can sneak out. Just look at her. She also wakes up at around 7:30 and tends to play the whole time while everyone else is sleeping. And so here she is, our kitty cat. She's so cute, you see, very nice, very cute. But the only thing she does, she doesn't meow at all. You'll not hear anything even if she's there around. No meows, nothing, but just a run here and there. Look how cute she is. She's gonna turn 6 months soon. I mean, and this is my breakfast for the day, probably. And my breakfast is ready. Just gonna have some bread with luncheon, which I just had. I mean, like in my fridge, the leftovers. So I just like cut off that, and I'm just gonna like watch something nice now. Maybe a video or a movie, a YouTube video, anything. I just love doing that. Before I used to like watch mukbang videos, which were like so crazy. My favorite one is Steph Papa's. I mean, like, she is in Ohio, America, and I like watching her. But recently, I just don't know. I'm not watching any of the videos, so I'll just do something and see you guys later while I have a lot of work piled up. So, and finally, let's go inside and cook because it's currently 1. I don't know what I was doing this whole time. I was just like filming a video and doing just listening to songs. So let's go and cook something. I have to finish everything. So let's cook prawns and fry prawns with rice and some vegetables. So that's it. And yeah, I don't know where to even start. I haven't started packing anything, so after that we have to like do some packing at the end, till the end. I don't know till when. So let's go and let's start our prep for lunch. So see you guys. And also just filmed a video for you guys. So now I'm just gonna cook. So I made rice, also I had prawns, and I just have 2 days to leave, so I thought like I'll just clean it and fry these so that it doesn't go to a waste. So I just made some prawns. There was this vegetable from yesterday leftovers, so gonna have it. I like something plain. I don't like eating chicken all the time. Hello, so lunch is ready. I just fried prawns and rice I just cooked now. So, and this potato bhaji was made by my owner yesterday, so I just took that, and that's my lunch. Very nice, just basic, everything that I just like. So I'm just gonna watch Tarak Mehta now, my favorite episode all time. It's a stress buster, so good. I'm gonna enjoy this and hope you had your lunch as well. Hello, I don't know what's the time. But let's start with the packing now. I just have a couple of hours and I have to do that as soon as possible. So let's do. It's starting to get dark, which I don't like because sometimes sunlight is really important. I mean, like once it gets darker, I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to sit in bed and watch a nice anything, whatever seems funny. So yes, let's start off with the day. I don't know what to start and how to. If you see the mess here, I mean, oh my gosh, crazy. So yeah, let's go and see how much I can do in 30 minutes. Hey you guys, so months back I had got these organizers for packing all clothes and stuff. Very helpful, very good. And I had a couple of those earlier, like around 3 years back. I had got the black one. I think black or grey, black I feel. So this time I went for a beige. I think I showed you guys before, and I got this on I think Temu. Let's see the quality. The quality is great. I mean, like it gets very helpful to like pack. You can pack like multiple things in one go, and I have like 7 storage bags. These are like very good. You can like put 2 in for your shoes as well. Also, there's one for makeup. There's a whole bunch of different things. Like you can look how huge it is, and I'm gonna use it now for packing. So one bundle of clothes is packed. I have to do a lot of things. I don't know. My mind is somewhere else. I don't know. I don't feel like packing. So I'm just trying to forget all the things what I have to, and I'm just going with the flow. Also, a 15-minute nap is very important. So I'm just going to nap for a while. And also just packed one of the bag, so nothing more, but there are so many things left to put. I just can't figure it. How do I like pack it? I don't know how I'm gonna like carry 35 kg just by Gulf Air. But anyways, I'm done packing, so I'm just gonna see how much it weighs. And here it is. I could just like take 2 bags, but that's not enough anytime. So just gonna pack, and soon I'm gonna leave. I just have a day, so I have to like leave tonight. Also really very excited to sit on a plane, and it's currently like 4. I have to like get ready, take a shower and get ready. By 6 I'm gonna leave. So until then I'm just gonna see how much I can still fit in some bags. I mean, like I still have things that are left to be put. So these are the bags here, all ready to go on a flight. Hello. Excuse the mess. I look such a disaster. Like, just excuse the way I look. I'm very tired, very sleepy, and I'm literally just sick as well with the cold. So, I just done packing, a bit cleaned my room, as you see. And now I'm gonna go take a shower, get dressed quickly, and leave for the airport. Yay! I don't know how the year has passed by so fast. I mean, like, it's so quick, but I don't know what to say. Happy, excited, nervous, and finally, hopefully, my bags are all checked in really good. Hope I don't have to like remove things, which will make me really sad. So, let's go and get freshen up and see. Hello, you guys. I just got freshen up. I took a shower, got fresh, did everything I could, and just put on a cute casual outfit, which I just got. I think so. I showed you guys. So, on my I just filmed like a get ready with me airport look, but what I wore over there was totally different as to what I wore now, because I feel like this is more comfortable joggers than the ones I bought. So I just packed them with me. So I'm just gonna wear this and see you at the airport. I'm gonna leave in less than 20 minutes, so probably wish me luck, because it's really a task. I mean, literally a task. So yes, with this I come with the end of the video. I'm gonna start up my new video after this, so hope you guys watch that as well, and see you guys. Hope you guys like it. I don't know where this packing thing took me. I don't know how this packing thing even went. Instead of packing, I just got, I mean, like multiple times I just forgot about filming. So I'm not sure what I recorded in this video. If not, please watch and give a like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next one. See you. Bye guys. See you in Goa. Bye.